Here we are given two concentric circles. Both of them have the same center at O, but one of them has 7 centimeter radius and the other one has 14 centimeter radius. What we need to find is the area of the shaded region. Let us tackle both of the circles separately. Let us start with the bigger circle. So here we are concerned only about the bigger circle, the one with 14 centimeter radius. Let us forget about the smaller one. We will deal with it later. Now what do you see? A small arc here, PQ, the minor arc. Then again there is a big arc, the same one, that is also PQ. To avoid confusion, I will just randomly take a point X here. So to avoid confusion, I will call the minor arc PQ and the major arc as PXQ. Now everything associated with the minor arc will be smaller. What are the things we are talking about? First is the angle that it makes. Here it is 40, it can be anything, 40, 100, 120, 150, as long as it lies between 0 and 180 degrees, it will be a minor arc. The minor arc will make the smaller angle. What about the major arc? The major arc also subtends an angle at the center. We call it the central angle. How much will that be? In this case here, if it is 40, then this angle, the angle that the major arc subtends at the center will be what? 360 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is more what? 320 degrees, because a whole revolution makes 360 degrees, right? So if this is 40 degrees, this will be 320 degrees. Here we have given 320, it can be anything, it can be 200, it can be 220, it can be anything between 180 and 360 degrees. So there, small angle, minor arc, big angle, major arc. But an angle is not the only thing that we are concerned about, right? We also have a sector. Now how does your sector look like? It just looks like a pizza slice. What all does it have? It has two radii, OP and OQ, and then it has an arc, major arc or minor arc, whatever the case is. Basically sector is this area that you see here. This is sector, the area which is bounded by two radii, and an arc is called a sector. Again you have two sectors, one a small sector here which is connected to the minor arc, so called the minor sector, a major sector. So what is this? The major sector. It looks big. Anything related to the major arc, the angle is big, the sector is big. So which sector are we talking about? It is OPXQ, the longer sector, the major sector. And what is the area of that sector? It is given by such a formula. And what is the radius? We are taking only the bigger circle, right? So that means, and what is the theta for the bigger angle? It is 320 degrees by 360 degrees there. But then that is not all, right? We forgot about the little circle which was inside. Let us now complete it. I have now completed the figure. Nothing has changed. All we have done is put a smaller circle inside, the one with 7 radius. And then what do we have here? Here also we have an arc AB. Then the minor arc, major arc drama just continues. You see the minor arc AB here. Anything that is associated with a minor arc will be smaller. The angle will be smaller. It will just be 40. It will just be between 0 and 180. The sector associated it will also be smaller. It will be a small pizza slice. Now consider the same thing, a bigger arc, a major arc AB, everything connected to it will be bigger. The angle will be bigger. How much? It will be 320. The sector connected to it will be bigger. What will it be? Just a bigger pizza slice. And what is the area of that sector? And just to note the difference, This is the minor arc AB. To note the difference, the major arc is AYB, so that you know which is the minor arc and which is the major arc. So here we have a bigger sector here, and what is the area of that sector? It is given by the same formula. Everything is the same because they make the same angles. The only thing that is different is their radius. So what if we remove this part? The area which is given by this second equation, if we remove it, what is this actually? It is the sector, it is the major sector of this smaller circle. When you remove it, what do you see? This is exactly what we wanted. So how are we going to get the answer? If we take this as 1 and this as 2, all we have to do is 1 minus 2. And how will that look like? Take all the common terms outside. Pi is a common term, this is a common term, and what will be left inside? Such a term. Now for this you don't have to do the whole calculation, just apply a square minus b square, which is what? A plus b, which is 14 plus 7, which is 21, into a minus b, which is 7. And there is a 7 here, so maybe you can take 22 by 7. So once when you are done with all your calculations, this is how your answer looks like. So that is all for today. Till I meet you again. Assalamu alaikum.